How to create and post videos on REDnote. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to create and post videos on REDnote. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First open REDnote app on your phone and ensure you are logged in. To start recording, tap the plus button in the bottom center of your screen and simply you have to choose camera to start recording. Make sure that you grant all the permissions like recording audio and access to photos and videos. Now you need to simply record your video up to 60 seconds by tapping on the center's circle-like icon to record the video. Once done, you need to tap on the done button at bottom right corner of your screen. You can even delete and re-record again. Now you can edit your video, add effects or text, look for English options if needed. You can explore styles, stickers and trimming tools at the side, and you can even select background music from the top of your screen. And once you are done with that, you need to tap on next button at bottom right corner of your screen. Now add a title, a description, hashtags, location which is optional, and if prompted, verify your account with a phone number, enter the code sent to your number and then tap on the post to upload your video. With that, you will successfully create and upload videos on REDnote. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.